Good morning, students. This is Kishore, and today we are going to discuss about C language. Online students, I'm audible. Online students, I'm audible. Yes, online students, I'm audible or not? Okay, right. Very good. Yes, you want to put anything, put in chat window only. Because of I'm not having earphones. Okay, online students, understood? You are having any queries? Put in chat window only. Don't raise the hands. Okay, thank you. And after the class, I'm going to clear all your doubts. In middle, don't break the class. Okay, I think everyone very clear what I am saying. Right. Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about first introduction to C language. What is C language? Okay, like this we are going to discuss. First, what is called C language means generally we are calling C is like this. C is a first thing, it is a high level or which is also called middle level programming language. It is the first thing. Okay. Generally, we are calling C is a high level language or which is also called middle level programming language. Next, now the second point is what? C is a compiler based programming language. One by one, we are going to discuss. Okay. C is also called, it is a compiler based programming language. Now the third point, C is a general purpose language. And fourth one, C is a procedure oriented programming language. That is POP. Now, first of all, why it is called high level programming language or middle level programming language? To understand what is a high level language, low level language, machine language, first you have to know what is a language. What is called language? Okay, I'm coming from scratch, then easy to understand. Okay, that's why I'm going to first start what is a language. Tell me guys, generally languages, I think everybody knows Telugu. Telugu is a language. Where it is used? Telugu is a language or not? And where it is used? Telugu language, where it is used, I'm asking. In Andhra and Telangana. Yes or no? Yes. Suppose Marathi, Maharashtra, Kannada, Karnataka. See? Tamil Nadu. See Tamil Nadu. Now Tamil Nadu people are communicating with C language. Printf, pani de do, scanf, kana lagao. Huh? Tamil Nadu people are communicating with C language. Huh? No, no. Now Tamil Nadu people are communicating with which language? Tamil or not? Now tell me. Actually Telugu. It is a language now. And the Telugu people are communicating with what? Telugu language. Now tell me, can I say the languages are used to communicate with each other? Suppose I want to say something with you. Now I'm using what? Language. Am I right? Then you can understand what I am saying and you are going to give the reply or not. That means language is used to communicate with others. Am I right? And now Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, all these are called regional languages. Because of Telugu language is used only in Andhra and Telangana. Tamil is used only in Tamil Nadu. Marathi only for Maharashtra or not. Am I right? Okay. And now that's why they are called regional languages because of they are limited for a certain area. Okay. But right now, my task is what means I want to communicate with the machine. I want to communicate with what? Machine. Okay. Then how to communicate with the machine means, okay, by using the computer programming languages. By using the computer programming language. For example, very simple question. Here in this class, everybody knows 1 to 100 numbers now. 10th class passed? Doubt in getting, that's why. Everyone 10th class passed? Then tell me 1 to 100 numbers. Start the 1 to 100 number. 1 to 100, Okay. In interview also give the same answer. Directly CEO post aega. Now tell me 1, 2, 3. Very good. You know that 1 to 100 numbers. Now tell me guys, by using computer also, we can do the same thing. By using our computer, can we print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen? Possible or not possible? Say yes or no. Yes, there is no doubt at all. By using the computer also, we can print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen, no doubt. Okay, now I am asking the computer. Computer ji, print 1 to 100 numbers. It is printing. Same question I asked now. You are giving the reply, but the computer is giving any reply for this? Because of it is not able to understand our English. Then what we have to do? Okay, I am doing one thing. Actually, it is not able to understand English now. That's why I'm talking with the computer using Telugu language. Okay, ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా అడిగి చూద్దాం. 1 నుంచి 100 దాకా ప్రింట్ చేయి. प्रिंट చేసిందా? एक बार हिंदी में भी पूछूंगा. 1 से 100 तक दिखाओ. It is displayed or not displayed? Come on, displayed or not displayed? I'm asking. Because of it is not able to understand our language. Am I right? But I want to print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen. On the screen. Then how to print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen? Then watch it. Now I am going to open the C language. Everyone observe it. Here C language there. And now I am going to put a program. Suppose hash include some std.h. Later I am going to explain what is hash, what is include, what is std. Don't get frustrated. Okay. It is our first class. Directly you are going to start the programming, but we don't know what is. Okay. It is only to understand the concept. It is only to understand the concept. Now watch it. Here I am going to put the header files. std.h, conio.h. Later main function started. Now how many numbers I want to print? Then starting number is what? Starting number 1 or not? And ending number is what? 100. Now I plus plus. Now printf %40, I gets age. Program close. And now watch it guys. 1 to 100 numbers are there or not? Come on. Now we are having 1 to 100 numbers on the screen. Say yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now we are having 1 to 100 numbers on the screen. Now tell me guys, when it is showing 1 to 100 numbers, when orally asked after writing a program. Come on, I need a clarity from everyone. Okay, at least tell me, can I say it is a C program? Can I say it is a C program? Come on. Now it is a C program. Yes, there is no doubt at all. It is called C program. Okay. And now can I say all these are called instructions? All these are called instructions. Okay, right. And set of instructions is called what? Come on. Set of instructions is called program or not? And set of programs is called what? Software. Set of programs is called software or not? Now 1 minute guys. Now this one is what? Software. And to design the software, we have to write what? Programs. And to create the program, we are using what? Instructions or not? The meaning is very clear. To design the software, we have to write the programs. To write the programs, we have to use the instructions. Am I right? And where these instructions created? Right now, where these instructions I have created using the C. Now tell me, based on this, C language is used to write the instructions, and set of instruction is called, and set of program is called software or not? Now tell me, guys, your future aim is what? You want to become a what? Software engineer. You want to become a software engineer. Now tell me, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, what these are all? Software companies. Am I right? TCS, Wipro, Infosys, all these are called software companies or not? Tell me, in software companies, some employees are working now. What they are called? In software company, the employees are called what? Software engineer or software developer or programmer or techies. Okay, we are having different names. Actually, the names are what? First one, software engineer, which is also called developer, also called programmer or techie or not. Okay, and now your aim also what? You want to become a what? Software engineer. 1 minute, guys. To develop the software, first we have to write what? Programs. To write the program, you have to write what? Instructions. To write the instructions, you have to learn the language or not. Leave the C language. Language or not. Now tell me. Finally, to become a software engineer, you should be perfect in one of the language. Which language? Telugu, English, Hindi. Telugu, English, Hindi. Computer language. Which language? Like what? C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, Go language, R language. Okay, all these are called what? Languages. Which languages? Computer languages. All these are called computer language. When you are perfect in one of these languages, you are going to be a software engineer or not? Now tell me, based on this, your software career depended on what? Language or not? And the basic language is C language. And the basic language is, now tell me, guys, based on this, computer languages are used to what? Based on this explanation, computer languages are used for what purpose? Developing the softwares. Developing the software to communicate with what? Machines. To communicate with the machines or not? And then why we have to communicate with the machines? And one small thing, very small thing. Everybody knows 1 to 100 numbers now. Then why we have to print by using the system? We know that 1 to 100 numbers. Then again we are printing same 1 to 100 numbers now. Then why we have to depend on the machines? Anybody? Because of they are faster than the human beings. Because of they are faster than the human being. For example, on a paper, to write 1 to 100 numbers, how much time required for you? On a paper, to put 1 to 100 number, how much time required? Approximate 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to. Now here see that I think it is completed within fraction of seconds. Within fraction of seconds. And then for 1000 numbers, you need, for 1000 number, you need how much time? Minimum 5 minutes. Minimum 5 minutes. Now watch it. Only one small change. In place of 100, I am putting another 0. Am I right? Now I am going to run this program. Everyone observe it. It's over. Answer is there. Last number, watch it. Last number, watch it. 1000 or not? Now tell me how much time it have taken. 1 second. Okay, 10,000 numbers. This time I'm putting 10,000 numbers. Watch it, guys. How much time taken? Finished. Okay, how much time taken? 2 seconds. Maximum 2 seconds. That means the machines are faster than the human beings. But by using our own languages, we can't communicate with the machines or not. That's why we need a separate language. And that language is nothing but C language, Java, Python, .NET, all these are things. Okay. And that means they are making our work faster. Everybody clear? Okay. And one of the best example, why the computer languages are nowadays very crazy. Why? Because logic simple. For example, you want to transfer. For example, okay, your father want to transfer some amount into your account. Listen, everybody, what I'm saying. Suppose your father want to transfer some money into your account. Once upon a time, what we have to do? Once upon a time. Okay, 10 years back, what we have to do? First, you have to go to the bank. First, we have to go to the bank and we have to take the application form. We have to fill it and we have to stand in a queue. Yes or no? Later, we have to physically give the money. Then they are going to enter into the, yes or no? Then only the amount credited into your account now. But nowadays, we are doing like that. Nowadays, we are doing like that. Nothing doing. We are going to open Google Pay, transfer to mobile number, amount, confirm, OTP coming, finish. Yes or no? How much time taking? 1 minute maximum. 1 minute maximum. Okay, suppose I am in Hyderabad and suppose my friend is in Bangalore. But how much time it is taking? Only maximum, I'm saying. Maximum. But how it is possible? Because of that Google Pay, Phone Pay. Yes or no? Tell me, guys, can I say this Google Pay, Phone Pay, their softwares? Come on, guys. All these are the software. Then how to design the software? Using the languages or not? Using the languages or not? Now tell me, without languages, any software is there? Without language, any software is there? Nothing doing. That means the entire IT industry going on. Total IT industry going on. Languages. That's why IT industry looking for IT people. IT people means what? Programmers. They're conducting interview for IT companies, conducting interviews for programmers or not. And programmer work is, tell me, in a company, programmer work is writing the programs, writing the and set of programs is called software or not? Now tell me, without language, any software is there? Come on. And that's why IT companies are searching for Java people, .NET people, Python people, C people, C++ people. Because of all these are languages. Finally, only one thing, guys. Nowadays, the famous languages are what? Nowadays, Java, .NET, Python are not. These are called advanced programming languages. What they are called? But directly or indirectly, all these languages created with means all they are derived from C language. That's why we are calling C is the mother or father of all these languages. Got it, everyone? That's why we are calling C is the what? It is the mother or father of all the advanced languages, because of directly or indirectly all these languages developed from what? C language. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Now, what is a language based on my explanation? What is a computer language? Which is used to communicate with the machine by developing software, by using a software or not? Yes. Okay. 1 minute, watch it, guys. First, I want to put this. what is a language? Generally, the human languages, okay, like Telugu, English, Marathi, etc. are used to communicate with what? Communicate with humans or not? Next, the computer languages like C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, etc. are used to design the software. Means nothing but what? Programs to communicate with what? With what? Machines are not with the machines. I think very clear. What is a language? Everyone understood? Now, basically the computer languages. Everyone listen carefully. It is why the languages are important, because of without language there is no software. Okay. Next, again here one important thing you have to know. What is that means? Actually, C is what type of language I am saying? High level language. No. Now you have to know what is a high level language. Okay. Everyone, what is a language understood now? What is a computer language understood now? Right. Now we are moving to what type of languages we are having. Basically, the computer languages divided into three types. What they are? One is nothing but machine language, which is also called object code, which is also called object code. And now, what is the difference? Created with what? Created with hence, okay, and very difficult to what, guys? User. It is very difficult to understandable by the user. For example, anybody tell me, guys, here 1110011. Anybody tell me the meaning? I know that it is binary code. I know that it is binary. I'm asking the meaning of this one. Anybody knows in this class? You know the meaning of this class I'm asking. Say yes or no. No. Next, second one, see that what it is. Okay, low level languages. Now tell me example. Suppose I'm going to enter PLZ. PLZ meaning is what? Sorry? Tell me please spelling. PLEA. It is PLEAS, yeah? Then why you are calling please? Because of you are a good chatter. Be frank. You are a good chatter. And tell me, actually it is a pure English, English shortcut. It is pure English, English shortcut. English shortcut. And in English dictionary, we are having this word. In English dictionary, we are having this word I'm asking. No, no. Now watch it. 1 minute. It is what? High level language. I'm putting like this. PLEASC. Now tell me what it is. Please, very good. Now it is nothing but the please. Now tell me, guys, which one is easy? Based on my explanation, we are having three languages. One is what? One is the machine language. Okay, one is the machine language. Second one is the low level language. Third one is the high level language. Now tell me, based on this explanation, which one is easy for you? I need a clarity from everyone. Not for typing, for understanding. For understanding, which one is easy? High level or not? Because of created with simple English or not? It is a regular English or shortcut? It is a regular English or shortcut? Regular English, no? Regular English means it is called simple English or not? Yes. Now tell me, guys, it is English or Telugu? It is English letters or Telugu letters? Okay, at least tell me. English letters or Hindi letters? There is no doubt, no? Okay, but it is pure English or shortcut? Now created with English like shortcuts called what? Mnemonic. What they are called? Yes, these are called mnemonics, guys. All these are called mnemonics. Okay, with mnemonics, problem is what? Suppose I am going to put here SUB. Tell me anybody SUB means? SUB means subject. Very good. Okay, subscribe. Huh? There is a chance. It may be subscribe. Come on, guys. Next, subway. Chance is there. Now subtract. Come on. Now subordinate. Say yes or no. Now tell me. SUB means what? Now tell me. I have given only SUB. Now it is a subjecta, subscriber, subvena, subtractor, subordinator. Which one is the right one? Which one is the right one? All are right one. All are right one or not? But which one is the correct one? We don't know. Because of all are correct. Now the programmer or user getting confusion or not? Now the user or programmer is getting confusion or not? And now I am going to write like this. Now I am going to write like this. Any confusion? What it is? Guaranteed or maybe no? This time guaranteed or maybe no? Now tell me, based on this explanation, which one is easy? Now in interview, they're asking the question, what is called high level language? In interview, they're asking, what is high level language? The languages which are created with simple English are called high level language. Got it, everyone? The languages which are designed with simple English are called what? High level languages. And the language which is created with mnemonics is called low level programming language. And the languages created with binary code is called machine language. Am I right? The languages which are created with binary code is called machine language, and English like shortcuts is called low level, and simple English is called, I think very clear now. Okay, everyone very clear now. Next, C is having both high level features and low level. Hence, it is also called what, guys? Hence, it is also called middle level. It is the first point, guys. See that? What I said, the first point? C is a, come on, C is a high level, or means basically C is a high level language. No doubt. Basically C is a high level language. Because of the total C language, they are created with simple English. But in C language, we are having some of the low level features. 1 minute, guys. Okay, now in C language, we are also having some of the low level feature. When low level features are there, it is also called. Okay, because of both are there now. That's why we are calling C is a middle level programming language. But basically what it is? High level. I think everybody clear? Next, in interview, they're asking one more question. In interview, they're asking one more question. C is a middle level language. With this, any advantage is there? C is a middle level language. With this, any advantage is there? Okay, watch it. 1 minute. It is another interview question. Listen. Low level features. Actually, I said it is a middle level language, no? Next, C low level features used to develop system software like operating systems, device driver, next translators, etc. It is one of the important, more powerful feature of C language. Actually, in C language, we are having low level features. And these low level features used to develop what? System software. System software like what? Operating system, device driver, translators, like this. Okay. Next, C high level features used to develop what? Okay. Application software like what? For example, calculator, media players, antivirus software. Okay. MS Office, Tally, so many. Oracle, all these are application software. Examples, some of the examples I have given. Okay. And now these are all called application software. Very simple, guys. Application means generally everybody knows you are using, everybody using Android mobile phones now. Android mobile now. You are going to Google Play Store. From there, what you are downloading? Apps are not. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the app or not. Facebook also. App. All these are nothing but app. And now tell me, guys, by using C language, based on this example, we can develop both what? System software and application software or not? Both system software and application. Hence, C is called, it is a what? Multi-purpose programming language. Okay. And now listen, it is an interview question again. Why C is called? It is a multi-purpose programming language. Multi means what? Multi-purpose meaning is what? We can use for many things. Am I right? Multi-purpose means we can use for many things. And now C is used for both developing system software as well as application softwares or not. That's why C is also called multi-purpose programming language. Why the C become multi-purpose? Why the C become multi-purpose? Because of low level features and high level or not. C is having both features. C is having both low level features and high level. That's why we are calling C is a multi-purpose programming language. I think up to this everyone understood? Up to this everyone understood? Yes, you are having any questions? Online students also. Because of, I'm going to start the next point. Why C is a compiler based programming language? Everyone, is it clear? Up to this, what is a high level language? Why C is a middle level language? You guys are having any questions? Online students, once again I'm asking, you guys are having any doubts in this explanation? Okay, right, very good. Now we are moving to the next point. Second point. What is the second point? Okay, very good, thank you. Now the second point, C is a compiler based programming language. Why we are calling C is a compiler based programming language? First, what is called compiler? What is called compiler? Okay, very simple. As per my previous explanation, C is a what type of language? Basically, very good. C is basically high level, and high level language is created with simple English. I think in this class, everybody knows the computer is not able to understand English. You guys know that the computers are not able to understand the English. Tell me anybody, the computer understandable code, binary code, the computer understandable code, binary code only. Got it, guys? Which is called machine language or object code. Everyone very clear? Now tell me, binary code comes with what? Binary code comes with what? Binary code comes with what? Zeros and ones, zeros, and as a user, can you understood binary value? As a user, can we understand binary values? No. That's why we are writing the program in English or not. Okay, but the computer understandable what? That's why we are using the compiler. That's why we need the compiler. Now see this. Why C is a? What is a compiler? Just watch it. What is a compiler? Now we are going to discuss second point. Okay. Always the user given. Okay. Instructions are in English. Okay. And listen. Always the user given instructions are in English, comma, which is called, listen, new point, source code or source program. 1 minute, tell me guys. Right now, it is a C program. 1 minute, everybody observe it. Right now, it is a C program or not? And it is in English or Hindi? Come on, everyone. Right now, it is English program or Hindi? This English program technically called source code. Remember, whatever the instructions given by the user, they are called source code only. Now it is the source code. And computer understandable code, binary code, computer understandable code, and user understandable code, user understandable code, English, user understandable code, and English code is called source code. Now computer understandable binary. Now we have to convert this English to binary. Very simple question, guys. Very simple. Listen 1 minute. Everybody just listen. Easy to understand. For example, it is only example. Say that. Suppose here my name is what? Okay, Kishore. My name is Kishore, guys. It is example only. Don't make any controversy. Now, for example, I am the fan of Narendra Modi. Example, I am saying. It is only example. Okay. And now, for example, I am fan of Narendra Modi. I think already Narendra Modi in Hyderabad. Yes or no? Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, they're staying 2 days in Hyderabad, na? Yes. Okay. Now watch it, guys. Kishore is a basically Telugu guy. My mother tongue is what? Telugu. And Modi knows Telugu? No. Actually, the speech started in Hindi. Okay. C class. C na? C class. Okay. Right. Now watch it, guys. Here Kishore is a Telugu guy. Modi is a Hindi guy. Okay. Suppose Modi conducting a meeting in Hyderabad, guys. Modi conducting a public meeting in Hyderabad. Now tell me, as a fan, I'm going to attend or not? Come on, guys. Yes, we are attending the meeting or not? Okay. And North Indians also attended for that meeting. Now the speech started in Hindi. The speech started in, but I don't know Hindi, for example. Now all the North Indians are listening very carefully, and in middle they are making claps also. Now when they are making claps, I am watching their faces and I am also making claps. Why? Because language problem. Why? Because language problem or not. And that's why they are going to call Kishan Reddy. That's why they are going to call which one? And now Kishan Reddy, he is BJP MP and minister also. BJP MP and minister also. And he knows both Telugu and Hindi, guys. And now watch it what happened. Okay, right now the Modi speech started in Hindi. Now it is taken by Kishan Reddy, na? And now he translates that one into Telugu or not? Now tell me, guys, I am able to understand. Now I am able to understood or not? Yes. Now in my example, okay, the Kishan Reddy is called. Kishan Reddy is called translator or not? Now tell me, translator work. Based on this example, translator work is what? Sorry, converting one form to another form, converting one form to another form. That is nothing but translator or not. And now in our programming languages, listen carefully. It is the translator. Okay. Now in our programming languages, and for this we are using what, guys? Like what? Compiler, interpreter, assembler. That's it. It is a compiler, interpreter, assembler. Suppose in interview they asked, what is compiler? Tell me anybody. What is your answer? Compiler is one of the translator. Compiler is one of the translator. Okay, which converts our English program to binary code. English program to binary. And now they're asking, then what is the difference between compiler, interpreter, assembler? We are having how many translators? We are having how many translators? 3. One is nothing but, and second one is nothing but, and third one is nothing but assembler or not. Now in interview they're asking, what is the difference between compiler, interpreter, assembler? Okay, now watch it. Compiler and interpreter used to convert high level programs to what, guys? Binary code. Remember, compiler and interpreter both used to convert high level programs to binary code. Next, assembler used to convert low level programs to binary code. Got the difference? Compiler, interpreter, both used to convert high level programs to binary code. But but assembler, low level program to binary code. Now they are asking one more question. Then what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Okay, both are used for same purpose. No? See that both are used to convert high level programs to what? High level programs to what? Binary code. Then they're asking, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Okay, now watch it. The difference is compiler converts the total program into binary code at once. It is an important thing. Okay, compiler converts the total program into binary code at once by leaving error lines. Okay, next, interpreter converts what, guys? Line by. Now you are getting it out, sir. Okay, at once you are saying, and it is line by line. Yes or no? At once, line by line, meaning is what? What is the difference between at once and line by line? Now, to understand this one, you need a picture. Okay, you need the picture or working style of a compiler and interpreter. Okay, now I am giving the picture for this. I'm giving the picture for this one. Everyone, observe it, guys. Now I'm going to give the difference between compiler and interpreter pictorially. Okay, see that, guys. It is another important thing. Just watch it. For example, just assume it is our program. And our English program is called what? Source code or not? Which is always in English. Which is always in English. Suppose my source program containing like this 4 lines. Just assume. How many lines are there in my program? Tell me, guys, right now this source code in which language? English, no? Say yes or no? Now we have to convert this English into binary code. Very good. For that, I am using the compiler here. What I am using? Watch it. Here it is the compiler. Okay. Now I am using the compiler. Now compiler, what it is going to do? Okay. Now watch it. Actually, it is the compiled code. It is nothing but compiled code, which is stored in a file. Okay. And later, after that, the compiled code passed for what, guys? Run. And finally, we are getting the what, guys? Just watch it, everyone. What I am going to say. Everyone observe it carefully. Now, easy to understand what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay. Just take a look on this, guys. I'm going to explain about the working style of compiler and interpreter both. Right now, in our program, how many lines are there? 4 lines. Very good. Our program containing 4 lines. And here, compiler does 2 things, guys. First, tell me, already as per our discussion, compiler work is what? Translate. Compiler work is not only that one. Another major task also there. What is that means? Checking errors. Every compiler does 2 things. Remember, guys. Okay. Always the compiler does 2 things. One is checking error, and second one is English to binary. It is a compiler work. Remember, everybody. Okay. Not only compiler, interpreter also does the same thing. Either it is compiler or interpreter or assembler. The work is what, guys? They are going to, okay, first check the errors, later English to binary conversion. Okay. And now tell me, guys, in our program, how many lines are there? 4 lines. Very good. Now the first line passed for compilation. The first line is passed for compilation, guys. Okay. Now there is no mistake in our program. Watch it carefully what I am saying. It is passed for compilation and there is no mistake. Immediately that line passed into the compiled code. Okay. Because of compilation completed. Now that line passed to the file. Okay. Now it is checking the second line. Now it is checking the second line. But second line, there is a mistake. Watch it carefully what I am saying. Second line, there is an error. Programming mistake is called error or not? Yes. Now we are having an error in second line. Then what happened? Nothing will happen. That line also passed into what? Compiled code. Now the third line, there is no problem. It is also entered into the file. Means it is also checked and there is no mistake in third line. That one also going to store in system. And now fourth line, again there is a mistake. Again there is an error. Now this one also stored in. And now tell me, guys, where the mistakes are? Where the mistakes are, I am asking. Second line and fourth line or not? And now tell me, all the 4 lines completed or not? All the 4 lines checked or not? Checked na? When 4 lines completed means total program completed. 4 lines completed means total program completed. Now it is showing the errors. Now it is showing the errors in which lines? Second line and fourth line or not? Okay. Now it is showing the error in second line and fourth line. 1 minute, tell me, guys. It is showing the error after the first error or after completion of the total program. It is showing the error after completion of total program or after first error. Total program. Very good. Total program. That means it shows the errors after completion of total program. Okay. 1 minute. Everybody observe it carefully. It is what, guys? It is what, guys? Completion. Am I right? It is nothing but completion. Now tell me, guys, this one is what then? Only the selected area. I'm asking only the selected area. COMP. Now tell me, guys, COMP. 1 minute, everybody. Means COMP means come on. COMP means that means compiler showing errors. Compiler showing errors after completion or not. That's why it is called. That's why it is called compiler. That's why it is called compiler, because of it is showing the error after completion of total program. Got it, everyone? That's why it is called compiler. It is the working style of compiler, guys. Now, suppose there is no mistakes. Suppose there is no mistake in our program. Immediately it is passed for run. Then we are getting the. But in our program, what we are having? With error, program is giving answer. With mistake, our program is giving answer. Means when all the errors cleared, then only we are getting answer or not. Is it clear now? It is the working style of compiler. It is a working style of compiler. Next, watch it. Same thing I'm going to explain with it is a compiler working style. Second one is what, guys? Interpreter. Now, how the interpreter works. Okay, everyone observe it. I'm going to explain with interpreter also. 1 minute. This time I'm using what? Interpreter, no? Same source code, but this time here we are having the interpreter, guys. Then what is happening when interpreter is used? Okay, now watch it. It is the interpreter. Right now I'm using. Now the interpreter is going to read the first line. First line, there is no problem, guys. In first line, there is no problem. Immediately, it is passed for what, guys? Immediately, it is passed for means output coming. First line answer is there. Now, in second line, there is a mistake. There is an error now. Yes, in second line, there is an error. Okay, when error is there, it is immediately going to error, guys. It is immediately showing the. Now tell me when it is showing error. When it is showing the error after the first error. Come on, after the and where the first error is? Second line. Now I need a clarity. That means okay, it shows the error. It shows error at the middle of and I need a clarity. It shows error at the middle of program or completion of the program. Middle of the program or not? Because of total program completed, only 2 lines completed. 2 lines. 2 line means completion of middle. Middle or not? 1 minute. Okay. Now 1 minute, guys. Tell me, guys, it is what? Come on. Middle or not? Now one small doubt I'm having. Okay. That is nothing but it is what, guys? And it is what, guys? Come on. Enter. Tell me after 10th class, before graduation, what you are studying? Intermediate, no? Means it is middle or not? It is called. And our program also stopped at middle or not? That's why it is called interpreter. That's why we are calling it is. Now tell me when the interpreter. Okay. When the interpreter is going to show the error? After completion, after the first error, means middle of the program or end of the program. That's why it is called interpreter. That means it is checking line by line a total program. I need a clarity from everyone. Line by line a total program. Line by and compiler. Compiler total. I think very clear difference. It is the difference between compiler and that's why the names also compiler interpreter. And second difference is what? In compiler, the compiled code stored in a file. And when all the lines completed, no error, it is passed to the execution or not. But here, any file is there. Here, any file is there. Now compiled line automatically goes to run or not. Previous example, see that in previous example, first it is stored in a file or not. Later it is passed for run. But here any file is there. Now it is the difference between compiler and what? I think everyone understood. Right. Next, assembler working style is okay. Assembler working style is what? Similar to what, guys? Compiler. Okay. Assembler working style is similar to compiler. Okay. I think everyone understood this compiler, interpreter, how they are working. Yes, you guys. Everyone understood? Yes. Now you are having any questions from this topic? You guys are having any questions regarding to this concept? No? Very clear? Okay. Then tomorrow I'm going to continue with the remaining topic. Today we have discussed how many concepts? Two. One is what? C is a high level language. Second one, C is a compiler based language. No? And tomorrow I'm going to start why C is called general purpose and what is POP technology. Okay. Nowadays Java is there. Java is called OOP, object oriented programming, and C is called procedure oriented. What they are. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to explain about it. And okay, before going to leave the class, I want to give you the notes. Actually, okay, after few days, they are creating Google Classroom. Understood, everyone? They are going to create what? Google Classroom. Once the Google Classroom is created, I am going to upload the entire notes. What I am saying, understood? Once the Google Classroom created, I am giving the soft copy. I am sending to your mail IDs. Understood? Directly you can download in your system or mobile. But up to that, everybody you have to use your mobile phones for snaps. Point understood what I am saying? Everybody, okay, up to that. And 1 minute, online students are there now. I'm doing one thing. I'm going to share the notes in chat window. Everyone try to download in your mobile phone or in your system. Actually, that facility not given by the webinar. Okay, no problem. First take the snapshots. Everybody having mobile phones now? Letters visible. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Now letters visible. Yes, everyone. Now take it. Okay. Online student, you are having any doubt, put in chat window, please. Later, I am giving the original code. Means, okay, I'm going to pass the what? Soft copy of this one. Okay, to everyone made. Okay, later go for the second page. Yes, Pawan Kumar. Yes, you are saying, sir. Tell me, sir. Pawan Kumar, what's your problem? Complete? Everyone completed this page? Right. Okay, Pawan Kumar, this is only C language. Actually, Pawan Kumar, how the whoops covered, man? Actually, in C language, only POP is there. No whoops. Whoops started with Java or C++. Is it clear? It is not checking, Mr. Vishal. Again. Okay. When error coming, how it is checking, man? Remaining program. Data structures also, you have to learn separately. Okay. Pavan, it is only C class. For data structure, there is another batch you have to. Okay. Now go for the next page. Completed? Next. Now go for the okay. Next. Completed? Okay, guys. Then see you on tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining concepts. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining concepts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Yes. Online student, you are having any doubt, put in chat window. Recording. Recording means 4,000. It is price. Okay. Normal class 2,000. With recordings 4,000. Yes. Okay. Rajshekar Reddy. Ambadi Pavan Kalyan Reddy. Pooja Chandrakant. Yes, you are having any doubt, put in chat window only. Daneshwar. I'm not having earphone. Okay. I can't listen you. Point understood. That's why put the chart in chat window only. Google Classroom create చేస్తారు. క్రియేట్ అవ్వగా దానికి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారు. మీరు సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ అదే ఓన్లీ టెంపరరీ. Yes, Daneshwar, it is going to take nearly 2 months. Yes, 2 months it is guaranteed. Okay. 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 నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అందరితో కూడా నీకు చెప్పేస్తాను కదా. ఓకే. ఓకే ఓకే నేనేమంటున్నాను, నేనే వద్దంటలేదు కదా. ఎలా మేడం, నేను చెప్పేది వినండి. ఒక డౌట్ అయితే నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు మొత్తం తీసుకొచ్చి చెప్పమని చెప్పలేను. ఎప్పుడైనా అది కుదరదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? నాకు కూడా నా క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. అది అది నేను అంటుంది. ఓకే. డౌట్ ఉంటే చెప్పనని అంటలే. ఇప్పుడు అతను వచ్చాడు రావట్లేదని చెప్పాడు. డౌట్ చూస్తున్నాను చూడండి. నేను చెప్తాను, కానీ అలా అని చెప్పి పూర్తి టైం నేను మీకు ఒక్కరికి ఇవ్వలేను కదా. అది నేను వీడియోలు 4000 4000 పే చేయాలి. వీడియోస్ కావాలంటే 4000 పే చేస్తేనే వాళ్ళు వీడియోస్ ఇస్తారు. అదే క్లాస్ మొత్తం వీడియో వస్తుంది. కొన్ని క్లాస్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కదా, అది మొత్తం మీకు వీడియో వస్తుంది. రోజు ఏ రోజు ఆ రోజు మీ క్లాస్ అంతా మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. నేను చెప్పే ప్రతి క్లాస్ మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సేమ్ లైవ్ వీడియోనే. ఇప్పుడు నా క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ క్లాస్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తారు, రికార్డ్ చేసి మీకు పంపిస్తారు. సేమ్ అదే మొత్తం అన్ని క్లాస్ అయిపోయేదాన్ని. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ అదేగా చేస్తున్నారు. వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళు అవుతారు, అదే మరి కొత్త కదా కంప్లీట్ గా. డౌట్స్ వెయిట్ చేస్తానే ఉన్నారు. అది ఓకే వస్తుంది, వీడియోస్ తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నారు కదా. నాకు ఒక 3-4 days వస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్స్ తెలియాలి. Yes, online students. Yes, you are having chat window. See that. All are contacting me. Okay. Ambadi Pavan, you are also having the chat window. See that. Rahul, after see any. Yes, of course. In our institute, they are conducting campus interviews also. Okay. Yes, Sandesh Reddy. I'm teaching C++ also. Right now, there is no C++ batch. Right now, there is no C++ batch. Maybe in future, I don't know. Okay. Ambadi Pawan Kalyan Reddy. Okay, not now Ambadi Pawan Kalyan Reddy. When the Google Classroom is created, I'm going to upload to your email ID. Rahul, non-IT or IT students, they should have to start with C language. Later, okay, Java full stack, .NET, Python, it is your interest. Is it clear? Right. Yes, Pooja. And Rajshekar Reddy. You are having any doubt, put in chat window only. Okay. Okay. Ambadi Pawan Kalyan Reddy. In Bank of America, I will base it on any language. What do you want? What do you want, man? First of all, clearly put the question. Okay, guys. Then see you on tomorrow. Okay. Yes. See you on tomorrow. Until that, take care and bye-bye. It is your choice, Rahul. Okay, it is of your interest. Understood? Right now, Java full stack is very good. AWS also good. Is it clear? Okay, my suggestion, Java full stack, because of good growth is there. Complete programming language now. Okay. When you are perfect in one programming language, later, based on the company requirement, you can migrate. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you all.